Hello, my name is Anne and welcome to a Tobyknits Vlogtober day 27. I did not do any recording on the weekend. Well, that's not strictly true. I did do one little bit, but it really was, well, I'll just show you. What ended up happening was, I can't even remember if it was Saturday or Sunday. We went for a lovely walk on this little trail that goes from one of the ferry terminals, Woodside it's called, to the other ferry terminal, which is Alderley Landing. And instead of having to go all along the road in the busy traffic, you can go on this lovely wooded trail. I did not even know it was there. And so we went there and it was lovely. Here's a little snippet of our walk.
What is that?
That's not supposed to be there.
Hi, Leo. Look how yellow it is here. Everything is yellow. I didn't know. There's a little bench we could sit on, Leo. What on? There, a little bench. Well, let's just keep walking. Well, you want to just keep walking? Just walk.
This is a little pathway between one ferry terminal to the other that takes you across to Halifax. There's a cruise boat. What's boring, boring, boring? So pretty. Oh, and there's a train track down there too.
Mama,
Yes?
I'm going to now.
Why?
Because this is as far I can go.
As far as you can go? Wasn't that lovely? Like what a gem of a little area, you know? It was just lovely. Leo and Sunny are upstairs playing. Sean is at work, and obviously Megan's upstairs with the kids. We just went to the park. That was fun. And this morning we went to the Aviation Museum. Again, I didn't record while I was in there, but here is a picture of the two of them sitting in a old airplane of some kind. I don't know. But it was very cute. And yeah, so now this afternoon I'm just going to do some stitching. And I've been working on two things while I've been here, as you know. This one I spent about 3 nights working on, which is for the sweet Sunny. It's her birth sampler, and I managed to I should put that behind. Will that help? Yes. I managed to do the 2 shells last night. I backstitched those, and I worked mostly on the lobster, and this is the starfish starting, and I did get all of this end finished as well. I'm halfway back stitching the lobster. I had to stop because I needed to finish off. I still have to do, where is he, the little white bit up here as well, and that color gets used up here somewhere, so I decided to just wait and do that. But as you can see, it's coming on lovely. My plan is to go across there. So this was like a page 1. Imagine this is 4 pages. So this was all page 1. So I did page 1 first. This was page 2 going to there, just to the crab there. So it's now finished, page 2. So now I'm on page 3, which will go here. And that includes the spade and some more shells and the sand castle. No, yeah, because there's 2 sandcastles, yeah. So I should be working on that. But I've done 3 nights on that, so this is getting a little rest. My knitting is going good too, the muscle bra. I've got quite a good ways on that one. And the other one I'm working on is Peking Puppies. So I had done, this side is finished up to there, and the center's all done, and the center, not quite finished this, but nearly. So I, as you can see, not quite finished the bottom here, but this is all done on this side. So I am now going to, I've decided I want to do this side, and that is all half stitch. So it does go quickly, but a lot of it is blending 2 threads. So I just started on, I was working here this morning to bring it down, and then I'll finish the sides here of the door. So again, here is the door, you can see. So yes, so I've been enjoying working on that. I'm going to do that in a minute now, and just have 5 minutes to myself. It's been a lot of fun. I was going to do this before the kids went to the park, but Leo wanted Nana to come to the park, so well, I thought I better go with him. And tomorrow, oh, I'm so excited. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm going to meet Crystal. Yes! If you don't know, Crystal lives here. I'm not sure if she's on the Dartmouth side or the Halifax side. I feel like she must be on the Dartmouth side. And we've been chit-chatting over Messenger for a while now. She often comments on my YouTube channel and on the Tobyknits and Friends, and she's always posting lovely things that she's put up, that she's made, so that's lovely. So anyway, yeah, we are gonna meet. I love it when I get to meet some of my subscribers, I really do. So we're gonna meet, and tomorrow morning, so I might bring you along for that if she's okay with it. And then Wednesday, I am going to meet up with Megan's friend Emma, who's really also my friend, her mother, Judy, who lives a few streets down. So, and I'm going to go meet up with her and have a coffee. So we get to talk about the kids, as the nanas do, And yeah, so that's the plan. And then Thursday, Sean is going to take the day off. And I don't know what we're going to do Thursday. And then Friday's Halloween. And so that should be fun. And then I go home Saturday. So I will try to put them in my suitcase. But don't think that'll work. Anyway, I'm going to go stitch. So I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.